Hi everyone, welcome to TND Learning YouTube channel where we are learning SAP SD. Today we are going to understand what is the master data in SAP. Master data is information which is same for longer time and same is used in transaction every time. What does mean of this? Let us take one example. While you are creating the order, there is the customer 1. Okay, this customer 1 is giving you order multiple times in a day, right? Order 1, order 2, right? In the same way, in a month or over a time period, he gives, for example, 1000 of orders. Means customer is the same, right? This C1 only. While you are creating the order, you have to enter the details of the customer, right? Who is the customer means what is the name of the customer, what is his mobile number, right? What is his email ID, right? What is his address? Like this, all the details of the customers you have to enter in the orders. So here in a day, if you are creating multiple orders, then is it okay that you are entering all these details every time, means name, email ID, mobile and address, or you are having one master information of this customer, means there is one page where you are writing all the details like name, like email address, mobile number and his address. You are noting down at one place this document and giving a number, right? For example, C1. Okay, so this customer's all informations is stored in the C1. So once you will create the order, only you have to enter the C1, and you have made system in such a way that once you are entering the C1, system will call all its information like what is the name, what is the email ID, what is the mobile number, what is the address. So this is the smarter way, right? So in this way system works in master data. So that's why it has been said here that master data is information which is same for longer time, and same is used in transaction every time. Okay, so same writing same data entry every time in system is good idea? Answer is no. So what is the best way? It is better to keep that information at one common place and assign a code, right? So whenever we have to enter the same data, just you have to enter that code. That code will fetch all the information, right? So we can say keeping commonly used data at one place is called keeping master data, right? Now we have understood what is the master data. So in example we had found that there is the customer master data. So is this only one master data in the system, or apart from this another also? So yes, like customer, material is one master data, right? So why we are creating a material master data? Because that material has some weight, right? That material has some characteristics, right? That material has other informations like grouping, material grouping. So weight, characteristics, grouping, plant, from where it will be delivered. So for now we are let us understand with these four only. So while you are entering the order, every time you have to enter this information. So instead of entering all these information every time, you just have one document, one master data where you are keeping all these information of a material and giving it a code, right? So this is the material master, right? Now what is another master data? That is customer material info record. So what does mean by customer material info record? For example, this is a person, he is having his own ERP system. In that he is purchasing a product, for example computer, for which in his ERP there is master data created with a code, and this M2 code description is the computer, right? So this customer is giving you order to your company who is using SAP, right? But in SAP, in your company, this computer for which he is giving the order having code of M1 and description is the computer only, means physically it is computer only, but in his system it is M2, in your system it is M1. So customer material info record has such facility that you can assign this is the customer for which M2 is the code of computer in his system and M1 is the code of computer in your system, that can be aligned, so that if this customer orders the computer in his terminology, then directly user can enter his code even though SAP will identify. It means the code of material of other system, the code of material to your system can be mapped at one place. So benefit of this is that while this customer will order M2, our system will understand that he is ordering the M1. This is one benefit. Another benefits also are there for customer material info record, so we will study that also in our other video which is on customer material info record. And after that there is the price master. Then what is the usage of this price master? See, there is code in your system M1, okay, for computer, okay. So you are saying that this material has price of 100 rupees. Let us take very simple example. So again, while you will create order for any customer of this material, then you will not be having this material without any price. Definitely you are having. For example, price is the 100 rupees which we had taken above. So again, same customer is ordering order 2 for this material. Again you have to enter the price of 100 rupees. The n number of orders is being created, n number times you have to enter the price. So to avoid it, we can maintain a price master by saying that if customer 1 will order material 1, then I will charge 100 rupees, right? This master you have saved in your system. So every time you are creating order for customer 1 of material 1, automatically system will fetch the price of 100 rupees, okay? So this way price master can be used. And there is output master also. So what is output master? So every time you are creating any document means order, delivery, invoice, for example, you have to take printout, right? So I can say that if any order is coming from out of country, okay, then I want one format of order where these three information will be there, but the order which is coming from within country, means any customer from India only is giving the order, then that time I want order output in another form, means I will be having these 4 fields. So for the same order I can take different print. So every time, instead of telling to the system that this time I want output type this one and second time I am saying that I want this, instead of doing this, I can create the output master which will automatically read the customer and tell to system that for order this time this print is required and for this order this print is required. So that way output master can be used. There are other uses of output master also, and that we will cover in output master video. So I hope you have understood what is the master data in SAP and how many types of master data mainly are used. Customer master, material master, customer material info record, price master, output. So T code for customer master data is BP. For material master it is MM01. For customer material info record it is VD51. For price master it is VK11. VV11. For output master, if output master is for order, then VV11. If it is for delivery, then VV21. If it is for billing, that is VV31. These are T codes for these master data. So I hope you have understood what is master data. If this video is helpful to you, I request please like it and share to your friends and to Needful. If still you have not subscribed my channel, I request please subscribe TND Learning, where we are putting SAP SD training videos. Thank you for your time. We'll see in another video, another topic of SAP SD. Thank you very much.